welcome back to my channel. So today, as I told you guys in my last vlog, I got an Apple Watch. So I want to do an unboxing for you guys. So I bought this with my own money. In case you're wondering how I bought it, I do have a full-time job, so that helps a lot. And also I use all my credit card points. If you don't have a credit card that has points, cash in to buy things, I highly recommend doing that. Or I also use some other apps to buy different gift cards, so I will leave all those links for my referrals down below. So I bought an Apple Watch, and my first ever Apple Watch. So we're gonna unbox it. And the lovely box. I am gonna order more bands on Amazon for sure. I have a few picked out, but here we go. Here it is, the lovely Apple Watch. So this is the band. I bought the Apple Watch 7, which is the new one that just came out. I figured since I'm a newbie, gotta get the newest and bestest one. We got that little, not as satisfying anymore. Here's the instructions that are that. Here is the, gonna open this bad boy up. The USB-C MagSafe cable, so everything's USB-C now. Of course I have to charge it. This is my lovely Apple Watch. Here's the Apple Watch itself. Not sure how to turn it on, but I want to connect the band. Solo loop band in size 4 Starlight. I do want to get a black band on Amazon, which is something I'm going to look into, I think, after this. And I think the solo loop band that I bought should be pretty easy to attach. Like that. So then you just put it on like that, and there is the lovely Apple Watch. I'm gonna actually set this up. Yeah. Okay. Good evening. Oops. Pretty good. So you can pair it to start pairing for myself. Now I have to pair it into the frame. I don't know, this is now. You guys are getting. You know what? I'm gonna pair manual. I hate. I'm just seeing it. Please continue to set up on the iPhone. Set up Apple Watch. So I'm gonna be putting it on. So now they want to tell you what hand. I'm gonna put it on my right hand. And then, you know, setting up, just like having an iPhone, setting it all up. So in case you guys are wondering, this is the 41mm aluminum Apple Watch. Like a silver. My Apple Watch is all here. I am going to set it up, but yeah, that was my unboxing. I'm gonna go set up all my thing, and then I'm gonna do a whole another separate video about like after like a week or so wearing it to play around with it, and then I'm gonna charge it soon. I want to change the face and all that because I want to show the oxygen. One of the reasons I bought the Apple Watch was for my heart rate, EKG, because I have like heart problems. oxygen levels, I want to track that, and for my steps, like always. So, and like to read messages and all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna go play around with this. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video.